Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the double crochet between stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains and how to make the double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the double crochet between stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to make any number of chain. Then you're going to make your first row all regular double crochet. The stitch is going to be one row repeated for however long you want your project. I will show you how to make that row on the row that I am currently working. I have already made 3 chains on my hook. So like the stitch says, the double crochet between stitch, instead of working your double crochets into the tops of previous ones, like right here, you're going to be working in between them. So I'm going to make my first one in between these two. You're not going to work into either of these spots on the top of the previous ones, you're going to work in between them. Just making regular double crochets in between these two. Between these two, and you're going to repeat this for the rest of your row. Once you get to the end of your row, make a double crochet between your last double crochet of this row and the chains. And that's how this row should look. And that is going to be how to make the double crochet between stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.